What's the meaning of coordinator? Coordinator. Coordinator.
Coordinator. Coordinator. A coordinator is someone who manages and organizes tasks, activities, or events to ensure that they are carried out smoothly and efficiently. Coordinators play a crucial role in various fields such as business, government, and nonprofit organizations. They are responsible for communicating with team members, setting deadlines, delegating tasks, and monitoring progress to ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Effective coordinators have excellent communication skills, strong leadership abilities, and the ability to solve problems quickly and efficiently. Overall, coordinators are essential to achieving success in many different endeavors.